8279. The purpose of spring tabs or servo tabs is to A. Assist the pilot in moving the control surfaces. B. Contribute to the static balance of the control surface. C. Make in-flight trim adjustments possible. The correct answer is A. Spring tabs or servo tabs are utilized to aid the pilot in manipulating the control surfaces of an aircraft. These tabs, which are equipped with springs, are affixed to the trailing edge of the control surfaces. When the pilot initiates a movement with the control stick, the spring tab reacts in the opposite direction, exerting additional force to assist the pilot in maneuvering the control surface. This mechanism alleviates the effort required by the pilot to control the aircraft, particularly during high-speed operations or when the aircraft carries significant loads. By providing increased control authority, spring tabs contribute to the overall controllability and handling characteristics of the aircraft. 8280. If the control stick of an aircraft with properly rigged flight controls is moved rearward and to the left, the right aileron will move. A. Down and the elevator will move down. B. Up and the elevator will move down. C. Down and the elevator will move up. The correct answer is C. In an aircraft with correctly rigged flight controls, when the control stick is moved rearward and to the left, the right aileron will move downward and the elevator will move upward. This motion is facilitated by the cables connecting the control stick to the ailerons and elevator. Rearward movement of the control stick causes the ailerons to be pulled down and the elevator to be raised through the action of the cables. As a result, the aircraft pitches up and rolls to the left, enabling control and maneuverability. 8281. Movement of the cockpit control toward the nose-down position during a ground operational check of the elevator trim tab system will cause the trailing edge of the trim tab to move in which direction? A. Downward regardless of elevator position. B. Upward regardless of elevator position. C. Downward if the elevator is in the up position and upward if the elevator is in the down position. The correct answer is B. During a ground operational check of the elevator trim tab system, moving the cockpit control toward the nose-down position causes the trailing edge of the trim tab to move upward, regardless of the elevator position. This inverse movement is intentional to provide stability and control. The elevator, located on the horizontal stabilizer's trailing edge, adjusts the aircraft's pitch, with downward movement causing a pitch-down effect. The trim tab, positioned on the elevator's trailing edge, fine-tunes the pitch and moves opposite to the elevator. When the cockpit control is shifted towards nose-down, the cable connection between the cockpit and trim tab pulls the trim tab upward, inducing a pitch-up motion. This coordinated setup ensures stability and control during flight operations. 8282. If the control stick of an aircraft with properly rigged flight controls is moved forward and to the right, the left aileron will move. A. Up and the elevator will move down. B. Down and the elevator will move up. C. Down and the elevator will move down. The correct answer is C. When the control stick of an aircraft with properly rigged flight controls is pushed forward and to the right, the left aileron moves down, and the elevator also moves down. This is achieved through the interconnected cable system that connects the control stick to the ailerons and elevator. By pushing the control stick forward, the cables pull the left aileron down, reducing lift on that wing and causing the aircraft to roll to the right. Simultaneously, the elevator moves downward, forcing the tail down and causing the aircraft to pitch down. This coordinated movement of the control surfaces enables the pilot to control the roll and pitch of the aircraft, ensuring precise maneuverability and control during flight. 8283. If the travel of an airplane's controls is correct, but the cables are rigged exceptionally tight, what probable effect will this have when flying the airplane? A. The airplane will tend to fall off on one wing. B. The airplane will be heavy on the controls. C. the pilot will be unable to fly the airplane hands-off. The correct answer is B. When the cables are rigged exceptionally tight, it means there is excessive tension in the control system. This can make the controls feel heavy and require more effort from the pilot to move them. The excessive tension can affect the control response and make the airplane less maneuverable.